Hello friends, and welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into a super important topic, the top foods to clean out your liver. The liver is a very powerful organ that is essential for maintaining your health, metabolizing nutrients, and cleansing your body. Sometimes, though, this essential organ may be overwhelmed by our lifestyle choices. One of the body's hardest working organs, the liver is in charge of more than 500 essential processes, such as hormone regulation, protein synthesis, and detoxification. The liver cannot operate at its best when it is overburdened with toxins. The liver can be supported and cleaned by eating particular foods. So let's talk about some amazing foods that can help cleanse and rejuvenate your liver. Leafy greens. To start, let's talk about leafy greens. Chlorophyll is found in foods like spinach, kale, and arugula, which supports liver health and helps remove pollutants from the bloodstream. Additionally, they include a lot of vitamins and antioxidants, which help shield the liver from harm. For an added nutritional boost, try tossing a handful of these greens into your salads, stir-fries, and smoothies. Cruciferous vegetables. Glucosinolates found in broccoli, cauliflower, Brussels sprouts, and cabbage help to activate the liver's detoxifying enzymes. Additionally, they include antioxidants to fight oxidative stress. Incorporate these veggies in your diet. Sauté these veggies can enhance your daily diet. Next on our list is garlic. This powerful bulb contains sulfur compounds that activate liver enzymes responsible for flushing out toxins. Garlic also has selenium, a mineral that boosts antioxidant action and helps detoxify the liver. Incorporate garlic into your dishes for a flavorful and liver-friendly meal. Let's talk about turmeric, also referred to as the golden spice. Curcumin, a compound found in turmeric, has strong anti-inflammatory and antioxidant qualities. It increases bile production, which is necessary for liver detoxification and improved digestion. Turmeric can be used to flavor soups, curries, and even a delectable turmeric latte. A word of caution: before making significant changes to your diet, it's always a good idea to consult with a healthcare professional, especially if you have any underlying health conditions or are on medication. If you like what you've seen thus far, please click the like and subscribe buttons and the bell notification. Thank you for viewing. Next on our list are beets. Beets are high in plant pigments called betalains, which offer anti-inflammatory and antioxidant qualities that shield the liver, aiding in its detoxification activities and assisting in the reduction of fatty deposits inside the liver. You may roast, juice, or toss them in salads for a meal that is good for your liver. Oranges, lemons, and grapefruits are examples of citrus fruits that are excellent for your liver. They are abundant in antioxidants and vitamin C, which help the liver's natural cleansing processes. Start your day with a glass of warm lemon water, or enjoy fresh citrus juices to give your liver a refreshing cleanse. Green tea is served next. This well-known drink is bursting with catechins, which are antioxidants that promote liver function and lessen fat storage in the liver by boosting detoxification and reducing inflammation. To help your liver stay healthy, have a cup of green tea instead of your typical beverage. Finally, but just as importantly, walnuts offer amino acids that help detoxify ammonia and glutathione to improve liver cleansing. You should incorporate walnuts into your everyday routine as the ideal snack. Incorporating these nutrient-dense foods into your diet can help optimize liver health and its vital detoxification processes. Combine them with adequate hydration, exercise, and limiting alcohol and processed foods for a comprehensive liver detox. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and let us know in the comments which of these foods you're excited to try. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more health tips and recipes. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.